Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Ridgway coming from Cumberland at Home Summer Edition. Today, we're going to be working on an activity that is titled Digraph Create a Word. It is on page 51 in your packet. The title is at the top. It starts with an uppercase D. And the title says Digraph Create a Word. I know you're probably wondering what a digraph is, and we're going to get into that today. But I want to make sure you have all the materials that you need first. So, on this page has your instructions. It has all the materials that you're going to need, and it's on page 51 in your packet. Digraph, create a word. On the next page, you're going to find page 52. And it says at the top, it's titled Onset Cube. So you're going to see letters and some squares. It's going to make a cube when you're done cutting it out. And it's on page 52 in your packet. Onset Cube is at the top. Your next page you're going to need is also a cube. It's on page 53. It says Rhyme Cube at the top. Great job, boys and girls, finding all of the pages you're going to need today. Your next page is going to be on page 54. This is going to be a blank onset cube. It's not going to have any letters on it, but you're going to need this one as well. Your next page is going to be page 55. And it also is going to be a blank cube. And it's going to say blank rhyme cube. Great job. And then your very last page is going to look like this. Or like this. It's page 56. And at the top it is titled My Digraph Create a Word List. Great job finding all of your materials. So boys and girls, once you're done finding your materials, I want you to use your scissors and you're going to cut out the onset cube, this page right here. Make sure don't cut the actual cubes out. You're going to need each one, so cut around. Okay? You're going to need your rhyme cube cut out as well. And your two blank cubes, your blank rhyme cube and your blank onset cube. You do not need to cut out this page. You're going to keep this page intact as a whole page, so you do not need to cut this page out. Great job following directions, boys and girls. Go ahead and get started. I'm going to started cutting as well so that I have my cubes ready to go for this activity. I'm going to start cutting my cubes out and getting ready for this activity. All right, boys and girls, now that you have all your pieces cut out, let's start with our first cube. Our first cube is our digraph cube. So you should have that taped or glued, however way you got that put together. And then our second cube is our onset and rhyme cube. And then you're going to need your sheet, My Digraph Create a Word List. Now, how are we going to create a word? We're going to use both of our cubes to create a word. So, at the top, you'll see that there is a digraph at the top. TH, SH, GR, BR, FL, and CH. We're going to use these to figure out which column they're going to go in once we create our word. So, let's roll our dice. I'm going to roll my digraph dice first. I landed on TH, which makes the sound. I'm going to roll my other dice. I have IN, which is N. TH and IN together is thin. So I'm going to get my pencil right here. And I'm going to find out which digraph was at the top. Was it TH, SH, GR, BR, FL, or CH? It was TH. So I'm going to write my word down on my chart. THIN. Here it is on my digraph Create a Word List. Let's do it again, boys and girls. I'm starting to like this game. Let's try to roll it a little bit better. This time I landed on SH. Shh. Can you say shh? That is the sound SH makes. Let me roll this one again. I landed on IP. So let's put SH and IP together. Ship. Ship. Think that will make it. Let's find out where that goes on our create a word list. THSHGRBRFLCH. It was SH at the beginning, so let's write ship. Alrighty, let's roll again, boys and girls. This time I landed on FL. And I landed on OP. Flop. Ooh, there we go. Flop. 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 So let's put this under FL. Let's do it one more time. This time I landed on GR. Grr. Let's do my onset and rhyme. GR and ICK. Gr-ick. Grick. Is that a real word, boys and girls? I don't think so, but I'm still going to write it down because we created a word with this. This is what we call a nonsense word or not a real word. So I'm still going to put it on my create a word list under GR. Grick. Once you're done with your list, boys and girls, you're going to go back and you're going to circle all the words that are real words. And then you're going to leave the ones that are nonsense or not real words not circled. So the first one I had was thin. Is thin a real word, boys and girls? That's right. I'm going to go ahead and circle that. The second word was ship. Is ship a real word, boys and girls? That's right. You guys are correct. Ship. What about grick? We already decided that is not a real word, so I am not going to circle it. The next one I had was flop. Is that a real word? Yes. I'm going to circle that. So now I have thin, ship, and flop circled on my list. Grick is not circled because it is not a real word. Boys and girls, you're going to continue to create a word with your digraph cube and your onset and rhyme cube. Now, when you're ready for a challenge, you're going to take your two other cubes. You have two blank cubes here. Now, you can come up with some more digraphs to write on this cube and some more onset and rhymes. So the first one that comes to my mind that is not on our list is FR. So I'm going to take a marker and write FR on one side of my cube, just like that. And then an onset and rhyme that I thought of immediately was ACK, because we had ICK on the other one. Now I have ACK. So boys and girls, when you're ready for a challenge and you've created enough words on your list, now you can create your own cubes and play with those. I think that's going to be a lot of fun, and you're going to have a lot of creativity with these two cubes that you can do on your own. So use your creativity, use your imagination, and think of some digraphs and some onsets and rhymes to write on both of your cubes. Then when you're done, what can even be more fun is you can play with someone in your household, a family member, maybe your friend, even mom or dad or brother or sister, grandma and grandpa, so that way you can have some fun with them too, and maybe they can create a word list and figure out what are those real words and those not real words. So boys and girls, I hope you have a great time with this activity today. Remember that you're going to keep all of your words on your creative word list, and you're going to make sure you circle the words that are real, and the ones that are not real, do not circle them. Boys and girls, I had a great time today identifying and making words with digraphs and onsets and rhymes. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one.